to see what we can catch this time. I don't know what we can catch actually, so.
Oh, I'm gonna watch.
Okay. There, I see daylight like over there, but I don't see what's the meaning of this coming our way.
And there's daylight over there.
Yeah, that is true.
It's coming our way then.
No, it's like, it came from Montana, I think. You guys can see my TV through the window. But in the last episode, like, oh my god, did you see that lightning? It's like cuckoo. But I don't care. I love it. Oh, that wasn't very big, but I thought it was actually was. I didn't catch that on camera, but I hopefully I did.
What if birds be dead whenever there's lightning?
Oh, I caught that on camera, but even though that wasn't big.
Gosh, I need to go pee, but I'm too scared.
Looks like there's some cars traveling through.
Mom, lightning struck that house. Is scary.
Alright, so guys, another car just showed up, but I think I'm gonna stand back here because I think that's like the best place to stand. Oh, my freaking legs.
It's hard.
You guys can see. I can see it in your. Oh, look, there's Cuddy.
Hey, did you know that you can count the thunder?
1, 2, 3. I already like lightning struck like. Oh!
I'm getting down. Wait.
Oh yeah, I think it isn't best to stand by. I'm not gonna get struck.
Stand by a window.
I almost got struck.
Somebody go.
I think it's what? Go in there. Kitty's with you. Kitty isn't scared of anything. Oh! I caught that. I don't know if I actually caught that because I was looking away. I was looking on the.
It was up there.
Yeah, then I caught it.
Maybe.
So that's like the 4th time lightning struck.
Okay.
Well, it didn't struck anywhere, but it lit. It ignited. I can't say it. Ignite. Yeah, I just said it. I think Dad's staying. Yeah, Dad's staying. He's downstairs.
I need to go pee.
Go in there. Dad's here. It's not like nothing's gonna happen to you. I went to the bathroom with nobody upstairs. I actually thought it was scary, but I just had to believe in myself. I caught that. I so did. Yep. Word, my hair smells like conditioner.
You forgot to give me a bath.
Shoot, yeah, that's